This is how to field repair a 360Q lamp socket. They go bad all the time, drives us crazy. And that part costs $62. I never have time to wait for them. So I figured out a way to fix them. All you need is some stranded copper wire that you cut to 1-inch lengths. See the 1-inch length? Then you take the stranded copper, coil it into a spring with a little tail sticking out so that it looks like this. Take the little coiled piece of copper with the tail sticking out and stick it down into one of the socket holes where the lamp goes. Get it all the way down in there. Then take another one, coiled up spring. Hello. Stick it down in the other hole. There we go. 2 coiled up springs of copper down in the lamp socket. Now, take your lamp, insert it into the socket, get it lined up. You're going to have to really press in because you have to crush these pieces of copper down into the socket. So I use the edge of a table and go back and forth until I'm pretty sure I have that lamp all the way down in the socket. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. This should light up. Ding!